friends, welcome back to Saurabh Pandya TV. And today I would like to start my video with a very important question guys. कि आपने कभी भगवान को देखा है? कि आपने कभी भगवान को छुआ है? You know what? Many a times these questions have been asked to me because I am a person, I am really kind of person who really strongly believe in God. So guys, today I would like to answer you all. Please just avoid this unnecessary confusing आंसर्स. अगर कोई कहता है कि यस मैंने भगवान को देखा है, मैंने भगवान को छुआ है, प्लीज वेट अ मिनट एंड रियली होल्ड ऑन. Today I would like to really clear all the doubts related to this topic. So please watch this video till the end so that you can really take a great guidance. Please, I'm not going to misguide you here, so please listen to me carefully. You know, one more thing I want to tell you friends, the God, really what type of God we have been looking since childhood. हम किस तरह के भगवान को देख रहे हैं? हम बचपन से अगर देखें तो हमें टीवी में देखने वाले भगवान के सिवा हमने किसी तरह के भगवान को देखा. You know what? We have made a God in such a way like having एक सर पे मुकुट पहना हुआ, उनके हाथों में तलवार या धनुष, and this is the thing like they are really having a well adorable, well done jewelries, earrings, everything is there and we think this is God. This appearance, no, these are not God. It is man-made God, guys. जो हमने आपने उन टीवी प्रोड्यूसर्स ने, इन आर्टिस्ट ने मिलकर बनाया है. But in reality, who is the real God, guys? और क्या पॉसिबल है कि आज के टाइम में आप भगवान को देख सकते हैं? Then remember, my answer is yes, absolutely yes. आज हम भगवान को देख सकते हैं. In what form, guys? किस रूप में? So now I'm gonna answer you, friends. You know what? Someone said a very great line. Even I put this question forward to my master. Really, I really consider him a wise person, and he answered me the very best way. Like God will not come to you in that form in which you expect him to see. भगवान आपको उस रूप में नहीं मिलेंगे जिस रूप में आप उन्हें देखना चाहते हैं. Basically, और आपका परसेप्शन पहले से ही बना हुआ है कि आप भगवान को उस टीवी में दिखने वाले फेस करके देखना चाहते हैं. Not at all, guys. God would not come to you in that way. The God will definitely come to you as a general person. एक सामान्य व्यक्ति के तौर पर भगवान आपकी लाइफ में आएंगे, एक नॉर्मल बंदे की तरह, और यू नो व्हाट, आपकी हेल्प करके चले जाएंगे, आपको गाइड करके चले जाएंगे, आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देके चले जाएंगे, एंड यू वुड नॉट इवन गेट द सेंस ऑफ इट कि आपकी लाइफ में कब वो पर्सन आया, उसने मदद किया और चला गया. यू नो फ्रेंड्स, गॉड वुड नॉट गिव यू अलर्ट इन एडवांस दैट आई एम रियली गोइंग टू विजिट टू योर लाइफ. नॉट एट ऑल, गाइस. It is not going to happen. So always remember from today, guys, शायद आप किसी ऐसे इंसान को अपनी लाइफ में मिस कर रहे हो जो शायद आपके चारों ओर है और आपकी बहुत मदद कर रहा है या आपकी मदद करके कभी बहुत दूर जा चुका है. God may come to you in any form, any phase. So please don't stop praying to God and worshiping to God just because you can't see him or touch him. बहुत से ज्यादा मिसकॉन्सेप्शन है, मिसबिलीव्स बन गए हैं. अगर भगवान देख नहीं सकता और छू नहीं सकता, you should stop praying to it. You should not. Please do this or do not. I'm not here to speak about like you should believe or not. But the thing I'm telling you, the people who believe in them, please, I want you to find the God in right form. Please avoid any and really stay away from any kind of misconception से किसी भी तरह के गुमराह किए जाने वाले फिलॉसफी से, विचारधारा से बचिए और समझाइए लोगों को कि God would not come to you in that form in which you want to see him. Especially, always I have seen it has been a subject of discussion and subject of debate and argument. Really, जब दो लोग कहते हैं कि मैंने भगवान को देखा नहीं, छुआ नहीं, तो मैं कैसे विश्वास कर लूं कि भगवान होता भी है? So my answer is to them, really, please, God is always there for you if you really are ready to watch him. Okay, so please, you have to really deserve. Do you really deserve to watch him or look him? Are you really a good worshipper? Do you have a very pure soul or good heart? If you have, then definitely God is always with you in whatever form you wish to watch him. It may come in your life as a master. It may come in your life as a friend. It may come in your life as a teacher. It may come in your life as a relative. In any member of your family can be that person. Okay, so never ever keep your eyes open, keep your mind open to see the God in your life. अपनी लाइफ में भगवान को देखने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको जो नजरिया चाहिए, जो पवित्रता चाहिए, the auspiciousness and the purity of the heart, that clearance, the innocence, what you need, that is very important in the life. So please never disrespect anyone in the life who is coming to you. क्या पता किस रूप में भगवान आपकी परीक्षा ले ले. और remember, so please always remember, never ever say again कि मैंने भगवान को देखा नहीं है. You are maybe looking God daily, but you are not respecting him or her. Please do not. I'm not asking you to take me as God. I'm the kind of person. I would really consider myself as a messenger of the God or of my master who taught me, please, this new philosophy of the life. And I have wanted to share with you. I'm glad that really I got this opportunity. I got this platform to share this message to every one of you. Please share this message at large so that everybody can get the right guidance about God. Who is God and who may be God. Please respect and love everyone who ever coming in your life. Never disrespect, never insult, never humiliate. Please always respect everyone. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you're really new on my channel. So please, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end and helping me to grow in my life. Okay, just because of you, I will never forget to really pay your gratitude, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much and thank you so much. And don't forget to share this video at large so that everyone should get the right message in their life. I'll catch you next video.